neurological disabilities, how does it affect those people?
Well, it should be beneficial to those individuals. This is an inversion table. This decompresses the spine. Anyone that has back issues swear that this is something that they need every single day. But it's also good for anybody else because our spine changes as we age. So decompressing our spine 1 to 2 times out of the week actually is very beneficial to all of us, regardless whether you have back injuries or not. And so we're going to start you out today on the beginner level, which is only 20%.
Yeah, never done this.
Okay, so go ahead and put your feet in there. And we're going to secure you in.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
Down at the bottom?
Mm-hmm. Just look, yeah. And I'm going to walk you in. Does that feel tight?
Yeah.
Or too tight?
It's good.
It's good? All right. So now I'm going to turn this. I'm going to take you back first.
All right.
All right.
This is weird.
All right. So head back. Lay your head back. And then arms above your head.
Like this?
Just like that. Mm-hmm. As far as you can take it. And start sinking your stomach into your back. And you should start to feel the decompression of your spine.
Oh, yeah.
Lengthening. And you work up to this. You start out.
This actually feels good.
Feels good. Yeah, it feels very good on your back. And you work up your tolerance. This is only 20% grade, then it goes to 40%, and then there's 60% where you're actually all the way upside down, and then there's 90%. So you work up to what's comfortable for you. And if anybody has high blood pressure, if you start to have headaches, you have to get off immediately.
Really?
So you're not getting a headache, are you?
No.
Good.
How's this? Like most people that are subscribed to this channel have neurological disabilities. How does it affect those people?
Well, it should be beneficial to those individuals. And it definitely wouldn't hurt to check with their physicians too. But at the spine itself, having it decompress is going to be beneficial to everybody.
I can see that nerve-wise.
Yeah.
Definitely will be good. But yeah, this feels good. I can see me doing this every day.
You ready to come up?
Yeah.
All right, so bring your arms down. All right. And you have to come up slow.
All right.
So let me pull you up slow. All right, so nice and slow, because everything redistributes through the body. Your blood, and your spine, because it's being corrected. All right.
Perfect.
Then I unlock you and you get out.
Cool. As you can see, I think this will be beneficial for anyone. And if you have any questions, email me and I'll forward it to Wade and we will get an answer to you right away. And always remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell.